Hey guys, how you doing? It's Patrick again, and today I'm not going to teach you anything about dance. Today I'm going to give you a tip on shoes. Now you may or may not know, when you line dance, when you partner dance, there is a certain amount of slide that you need in your shoes. If your shoes, you don't want them slippery, okay, but you do want them to have a good slide to them, because again, there is a lot, when you do country two-step, you should be gliding across the floor. Okay, you're not picking up your legs and taking steps, you're gliding, which means your feet need, or your shoes need to have a little bit of slide to them. That's probably why country two-step, country line dancing got a start in the first place, because people wore cowboy boots. Cowboy boots are slick on the bottom. They slide easily. That's where that probably came from, I'm guessing. Anyway, as you probably could guess, I do a lot of dancing when I go out at night, and I need a comfortable shoe. So I thought dance shoes, but dance shoes honestly are not that comfortable. I have a pair that I use for ballroom, not that comfortable. So what I came up with was this. You see these two pairs of Skechers. Now I'm not promoting Skechers, although if Skechers wants to send me a check, awesome. But what I'm saying is these are pretty identical, slightly different model, but pretty identical. What's the difference? That, okay? And if you can't tell, this one has dance felt on it, okay? Pretty much the same. I bought them from the same store. But what I did is I took these into a shoe repair place. You just tell them, and you can do this with almost any pair of shoes. I did them with Skechers because they're comfortable. At the end of the night, my feet, I'm not going to hate my feet. So you take them into the shoe repair place. You just say, I would like dance felt put on the bottom. These, I believe, cost me $60, but totally, totally worth it because they're super comfortable. They slide just the right amount for dancing, and I can wear any shoe I want. I'm not restricted by the type of shoe because of what type of bottom they have. As you can see, these should not work on for country dancing, but they do. Feel free to talk to a local shoemaker, shoe repair place, and they'll get you fixed up. All right, see you in the next video. Hey guys, real quick, thank you so much for watching. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe, like, share. It helps me out a lot, allows me to keep making these for you. Feel free to visit my website at howtodancecountry.com. All my contact info is there in case you want to suggest a line dance for me to teach, or if you would like a private lesson and you're in the Las Vegas area. All right, thanks again. I'll see you guys later.